Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the invite in Teams or email and scanning the essentials: date, time zone, and meeting link. Click Accept or Tentative so organizers know you're in. If the invite includes files, download or pin them now. This avoids scrambling later. Once done, add the meeting to your personal calendar and set a 5-10-minute reminder. This saves time and helps you join on schedule without hunting for details mid-meeting. Next, you focus on readiness. Test your microphone, camera, and speakers in Teams settings so audio and video work perfectly. Make sure your background is appropriate. Enable blur or a virtual image if needed. Open the agenda and any files you'll present, and close unrelated tabs to avoid accidental sharing. If you plan to record or present, change presenter roles ahead of time. These steps reduce interruptions and ensure the meeting runs smoothly when you join. When it's time, join using the Teams app for best functionality. The browser works if app isn't available. Mute yourself on entry and unmute only to speak, and turn your camera on when you need to present or engage. Use the chat to drop links or quick questions so the flow isn't interrupted. After the meeting, review action items, update your tasks, and send concise follow-up notes. If something fails, restart Teams and rejoin. That fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.